Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Hold your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right. Good morning. A little bit of technical difficulty in the morning. It's all right. Market's open. So we got Friday, June 6th. So we're getting markets today. Be patient. Look for good setups. It's Friday. Had a good week. Want to continue to have a good week. Don't want to blow it all on a Friday. Rid of some of these lines we no longer need. Just don't need any of this. Get sick of that. I got set up a little bit more, but should be taking a trade here in a minute. Bot trade, so I'll keep up with that. Let us know in the chat. Is anybody in the trade already? What are y'all looking at? I think the news for the day has already happened, so don't have to worry about that. Okay, there we go. Done? That fast? I'm getting in trouble for trades being too fast. Not even my fault. Yeah, that was it. What we get today? Goes by ATR, so it's different every day. Got 10 points today on that one. On to the next. We got 5 minutes. The support here did work again yesterday. Went a bit below it. Put liquidity. But see between this area and this area. Still panned out. So does that mean we're then going back to this area? Really don't want an area that big. If we go back up, test that. Did have the 8:30 news, so we did get that push up there. 163 points. We could use a bit of a pullback. Preferably something into the gap area. All right. Looking like a 5-minute inside bar. Something to keep an eye on. We have kind of a buy opportunity, buy signal. I don't know. Large push up. Might wait a little bit. Friday. Relax for a little bit. Get in tune with the market. Feel a bit on the sleepy side. I don't know how people wake up and bright-eyed, bushy tail first thing in the morning. That trade would have worked out great, didn't it? Signal was a great signal. Easy 20 points. Right there. Zoom out again. I keep zooming out because I just want to see like what kind of clues the market wants to provide us. What did we miss? If you see something I don't, type it in the chat. Let us know. I think we need a pullback. All that negative news yesterday about Trump and Elon Musk fighting. All this negativity. 464 points. We're pushing right back up. What does daily look like? Daily still holding up. $1 million question. Do we make a new high or no? Do we make a new high and hold it? We got our open at 21,526. Hopefully we're not going to see that again today. We are up 1.1% on the NASDAQ and 1.1 on the ES. Kind of looking over one of the strategies. Problem with running a few different strategies is get what the heck I'm doing. Where is it? There we go. Okay. As always, if you're in the, they're streaming in horizontal and vertical. So if you're in the horizontal, you want to be vertical. Put a link in the chat. And if you're vertical and you want to be, or horizontal, you want to be vertical, we'll put that link in the chat too. Come on. There we go. Trying out different formats, different things, see what everybody likes. Right, as always, if you are in the vertical, enjoying the stream, smash that reaction button at least 30 times. Why not, right? Oh yeah. How do I do it? There we go. What are we looking for? We're waiting on that pullback. I didn't see that earlier. We came right down to the trend line, pushed up. That would have strengthened our case for that move earlier. You got the open range set. $21,852. Come on. There we go. Normally I would take the retest of the open range, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we take it? Get a lot of negative delta. Oh wow, it's pushing up now, and there we go. Good job. We don't want to see this just go. Yeah, I'm going to break even. Should I got to go or not? Yeah, stop me out. Yeah. Stop me out and got me right back in it with the bot. That's funny. Still kind of struggling, isn't it? I'm gonna get out of that. Why are you struggling? You're kind of overbought. All right, type in the chat. What do you think? Should we got out that trade? Honestly, probably would have got stopped out. Yeah, probably got stopped out. What do you think? Did you get out that trade? Did you stay in? Did you take the trade? Trying to set up for another signal. I don't know. I don't like the way it's kind of choppy right here. And I still think we're overbought. I think we got buyers and sellers trying to come in while we're getting this choppiness. Don't know that that's what I want to be a part of. Still working on that vertical stream. Hard to kind of get it framed right. Work in progress. We're dumping now. What happened? Who did it? Kind of caught it with the choppiness and the negative delta, huh? Not always right, but save me from that trade. See if we can go down, test the open range low. Mute that for a second. I can't even hear the song. I can't even hear the song. Hush. I was muted. I was saying I can't even hear the song on the computer. Turn it up, then it's too loud on the phone. Turn it down, I can't hear it. That's all YouTube. Nothing I can do about that. I got super loud too. Yeah, nothing I can do about that. Did a 5-minute chart. Yeah, this kind of double top. Look for it to come back to the open range low. Bit of an order block there. Kind of an order block with a gap pushing out of it. Wait, why is this one in a trade? Oh, I messed that one up, didn't I? Is that one gonna take its first loss? Oh, we did that one. Oh well, we messed that up. Right, jump out of that and then get back in. So if anybody's asking what I did to mess it up, I was in way too heavy. Dom, good morning. How you doing today? Doing pretty good. How are you doing today? Did I say it right? Did I pronounce that right? Darun? They're going against me. Don, what do you think? Long or short? You in a trade right now? I was looking to push back up, but I think it'll still go. I don't want to give it too much, though. I don't know. Might just hold. Hopefully everybody else is finding good trades. I don't really like this trade, but I do have a bot here that hasn't missed in about 3 or 4 weeks. So I got to give the bot its opportunity. Oh, that's so stupid. Oh, so Dom, you commented on both streams, right? I was wondering how come I only seen the one comment. Sorry, I didn't comment. Still working out the different streams. Sorry about that. I'm doing good so far. I got, what, 1 winning trade, 1 break even, 2 winning trades, 1 break even, and like a 2-point loss. And whatever I'm in now, so it's been a great week. Want to kind of Friday hang out. If you're in any trades, let us know. You see something I don't, let us know. I'm currently in a trade. I don't know if you can see that on the vertical. Where am I at? 21,842. Like I said, I'm working all this stuff out. Whatever it wants here. That's the trade. I actually got in late. That's the trade there. Not a good risk to reward. I wouldn't use it on a funded account. Good trade setup for evals. take this one off. As always, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Otherwise, Google will think you don't like the stream, and they will throttle down the stream. Stupid. Kind of chopping around, ain't we? Look at this. This nice push up, and it's been chopping. Big push down, right back up, and just chopping all these wicks. Just struggling in that trade. I'll try to let it go. Let it do its thing. Prove that it's not going to work. Is that 21,754? You guys on the vertical stream, smash these reaction buttons too. We don't really know what they do, but who cares? Do something. Help pass the time. Alright, I gotta get up, stretch, use the bathroom, grab a new drink, be right back. 2 seconds. Guys, what happened? I told y'all to make the market go up. Y'all didn't get that memo? that off. Kind of going sideways, ain't we? I know before I left, I told everybody, make sure you tell the market to go up. Could see a bit of a buy setup here. We're chopping sideways. I only like that, but might try to give us a buy setup. Anybody trading this? If so, type it in the chat. Let us know. Long, short. Price did you get? Honestly, I probably wouldn't trade this, but the bot told me to. Nice to trade them in now. Hard to get it on that vertical screen. You gotta be so zoomed in. Could break out to the long side. Long around 21,780 and closed at 21,850 even. Done for the day. That's awesome, man. Good job. Look at that. That's what it looks like on my screen. 21,780. 17. I'm assuming the dip there closed for 850 even. There you go. I think I had this one slightly off. 70 points. I am trading with Bulenox, yes. Stop at 21,750. That's awesome, man. That was a good trade. Yeah, that pulled off. So I'm assuming the day opened, went down, you bought, and rode it up. Or did you see some kind of support there? Guess we did kind of have the... Let's get rid of this real quick. Pull this over. I'm just going to kind of guess, but I'm assuming you were looking at the low there. Maybe even an order block there. Come down, take that. Stop loss, take profit. Something like that. That was a good trade. M5 bullish gap. Not entirely sure what the M5 is, maybe 5 minute. We got a gap here and a gap here. Assuming this one. Kind of a small gap here. What do we get? I'm assuming this top one up here. I'm gonna assume something like that. Going with the low of this candle for the entry. Something like that. Yes, the top, yeah. And you said 780, so yeah, just like that. And that was a 2.25 to 1. That was a great trade, man. Yeah, good job on that one. Normally trade on the 2-minute chart. I also use a volume Heikin-Ashi chart. Yeah, man, thanks. I think you said you're done for the day. Good job being green. I'm going to trade now, kind of against me, but I'm just taking it off of this bot trade here, which I got in late. But I think I'll end the day green. And I've had a good week. I think I've been green every day this week. So, yeah, it's been pretty good, man. I'd switch over to the, you can kind of see the volume chart on the side there, but there it goes. It's just going sideways right now. Yeah, I can't really see much right now. See if I can go back. We had a good trade back here somewhere. Here's one of the trades I like to take is off the volume chart. It push up, red candles down to the moving average. Then the candle pushes up, changes green. Take the trade, ride it up. Darren. I hope I got that right. I think it sounds right. Darren? Or Darren? I have to look it up. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, man. Come back and talk over some of the trades. I'd like to hear more about some of your trades. Darun. I think that's right. Darun. I don't know. Every different culture like pronounces their letters different. Already subbed and liked. You're awesome, man. Sending it to my friends now. You're awesome, man. That's what we need is more people. Create a community, talk over our trades. Learn different styles, way different people view the market. Right now, we're just kind of trading sideways. Had 2 cups of coffee before 9:30 opening bell, so I don't miss any moves. That's what I need. I don't know, sometimes all the caffeine makes my eyes blurry, makes me too jittery. I got vitamin water here. You see it? There somewhere. Vitamin water takes a little bit to kick in. It's like a vitamin energy drink. Don't quite do what coffee does, though. We get a nice push up now. If we can get out of this range. I think we all do that now and then. It's like, wake up, man, wake up. You're sleeping, costing me money. Sometimes I'll go rub some cold water on my face. That normally does it. Take yesterday's high. I got yesterday's high at 21,863.50. I think we will. Zoom out a little bit. Well, wrong chart. Yep. That's exactly how it goes. Nothing worse than a sleepy day and all the moves are happening. But we tried to go up and got rejected again. Kind of chopping around still. Fishing Slot, Florida. Good morning. How are you looking today? You ever been to that breakfast place in Gainesville for breakfast buffet? It's well known. It's like $20 all you can eat. No, but it sounds good. We usually don't get out for breakfast. I don't think anybody in our house really eats breakfast. Unless we're on vacation or something. Used to party over there back in the day. We used to go, you ever been to Backstage Lounge? We used to go there all the time. It was Backstage Lounge, then it switched to was it Eddie C's or something? I can't remember. A lot of bands played there. A lot of live music. Looks like our market's dropping. Just kind of watching this bot trade. We got 21,754. Not actually moving my stop. I mean, I am, but I didn't put it all the way down because of the way it moves the screen. So I'm just kind of following this bot trade here. So I'm going to let it do whatever it wants to do. Where's you at? Waiting on my trades to go away? Oh, to go my way. I'm assuming that means trades. Should have waited for after breakout. Possibly after 9:30 to get up. I decided to open up the charts. Yeah, that's why I have a hard time opening the charts early. Because I'll tell myself I'm just going to get everything going and set it up early. Then as soon as I do, I see a trade. You're just showing it to me now. I don't know what you mean by that. Totally forgot today was Friday. Against my rules, I normally wait till 12 to scalp. Yeah, lately I've been doing better in the afternoon, but it's hard to find time to stream in the afternoon, which is weird because 6 months ago I was doing better in the morning time and losing money in the afternoon. So markets constantly change. It's like we're trying to go down. The other guy shared a trade that he took earlier. Darun there. And what do you say, 850? This is his trade, not mine. I did not take it. Stop loss 750. I think he said 5-minute chart. Off the gap. That was a great trade he took today. Once again, that was not my trade. That was his trade. I took a couple scalps earlier. Friday. I'm not really trying to do a lot on Friday. Been green all week. I'm going to finish this week green. What did it come down? Tested the open range low. See if we can push back up. Don't have a lot of faith in this trade. Supposed to be just a scalp trade. Went against it today. I like these for the evals because they do really good for a little bit of time and then they kind of don't. But past 3-4 weeks, 38 trades, 100% successful. So it's a good way to pass evals. That's doing the 2-minute, 5-minute open range scalps. I think today it's going to be a loser, though. Like I said, they work great for passing evals, and then you fail one, start a new eval, and try it again. I wouldn't go doing that on a funded account. We broke this trend line down here. Hit what, once, twice, 3 times. Came down, broke through. How's our friend Mike doing today? Let's go over there and say hello. Sometimes I listen into his stream on my headphones. Everybody know. Wait a sec. There we go. Everybody know Mike at Futures Floor Trading. There we go. I know Fish and Flop Florida. I know he knows them. If anybody doesn't know Futures Floor, click on that link, go over, give him a subscribe. Fish and Slide, I know you know him. Awesome guy, great trader. Oh, he's in a trade the other way. He's fading me. Or I'm fading him, one or the other. I won't mess with him right now. I don't want to disturb him while he's in the trade. Yeah. He took off. Love that. All right, I think he was ready to go. Visions Lot, Florida. What do you see? Any good trades? What are you thinking? Up, down? I think if we want to go up, we got to break above this trend line, hold it, push up to the open range high. For shorts, break back down, hold it, push open range low. Kind of right in the middle, ain't we? Yeah, pretty much right in the middle. Looking at my calendar, been green all week. Surprising, because normally Thursday is my bad day. I didn't realize yesterday was Thursday. After I got through trading, I'm like, wait, Thursday I'm green? That's great. I don't know what it is about Thursday. Yes, good day. Let me check. What do I think? I trade on a 15-minute candle. I'm seeing the formation. The third leg of the M. Let's check it out. Third leg of the M. I don't know about that. I think it's going to go back up, consolidate a couple 15 minutes with a wick, and then push price back down. Is he going to hit my take profit first? We're going to get at 21,866. Hoping that news would close itself out. Once it goes up, I was hoping it would cancel itself out. Sometimes you don't analyze things perfect. And that happens a lot to me, not just sometimes. Last 4 days, no issue. That's great. The leg of the M is a training style that I developed. I can't explain it unless I open the chart and show you. Yeah. Go higher before it goes lower. You said the 15-minute. Just tell me this. Do you see it on the screen now, or zoom out, or zoom in? I think I know what you're talking about. So if you're looking at the... All right, let's just do it like this. Let's see if I can guess. You're looking at the push up, come back down, and you're looking for it to push back up, maybe open range high or the daily high, and then back down. Excuse the drawing, that's trading view. They really could work on their drawing tool. Definitely think it's going to go higher before it goes lower. What you're saying right now, push up, first leg, M drop, yes. Might be able to see that. 5 minute. Get our crappy drawing tool. Up, down, back up, back down. And then in which case we'll be looking for the M line here. Push down. Then we'll be looking for the length of the M. If I didn't draw that scribble right there, I'd be able to see it. So minus the scribble. Target be the 21,646. Which will also bring us to this low. I'd probably go up to the wick. I don't know if you would. So target, if I didn't mess up too bad with the scribble. Did mess up a bit with the scribble. Okay. This up here. I'd still go to the wick. You said 15 minute. That's the same. So I would assume break the M line, target 21,679. If I was going to do it, not my style of trading. Probably not going to take it. Committed to trying to only do my trades, but I do like talking about other styles. And I think we learn from each different style. See you typing. I haven't had a chance to read. Need a bigger chat window. Where did I last read? Unless it breaks. Which I would have pending order on the top. You'd take it for the top also? Yes, looks good. I try to make entries on the last leg of the M, so I wait for a week to sell it all the way down. But I could always take a small sell and buy through every leg. Right. Sounds like a good trading plan to me. So then the question would be, let's go back to the 5 minute. Okay, so this pushes up. Either there or there, it don't matter. Comes back. Have our neckline or M line, whatever you want to call it. Try for the entry as close to there. Take profit. So the question then would be where the stop would be. Would you do a candle break? You said 15 minute. I don't know if you used a 5 minute for entry. I'm going to assume 5 minute for entry. Candle break. Maybe the higher so of that candle, so something like that. About a 2-to-1. A lot of people don't want to do it, but I've seen profits. That's all that matters, man. Matters what you see. Whether you can see the profits and whether you can stand the drawdown. I think, to be honest with you, I think that's a great trade thesis right there. I don't know where you'd put the stop. More of a scary approach. But it's having 4 days, no losses. I mean, if you have 4 days, no losses, that's telling you something there. And it's a full trading plan. I hate it when I see these guys on YouTube and they have no plan at all. It's like, what are you doing? What's the plan? Like, give us something. depending on what leg you're on. That's a big trade there. I do want to get more into trades like that. I'll have to talk more about it. I like learning different trade strategies like that, talking about it with people. About 15 years trading foreign exchange market. Developed my own technical analysis. I think that's the best technical analysis. You got your own. Was training a group of 6,000. But I got scammed and took away from me. That sucks. Might be time to start a new group. Start you a YouTube channel. Come hang out. I'll hang out with you. We'll do some collabs or something. Call it Future Slot Florida. About 9 different trading styles that are different from what I just explained. Gotta put my orders in when the bankers and the brokers are trying. Yeah, manipulation. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. I like seeing different people and talking to people about different strategies. That's the whole reason I wanted to kind of do a YouTube thing. Have a community and talk with different people. See a bunch of other YouTubers and they don't have any kind of strategy. It's like, what's the strategy? Some of the ICT people, they got a good strategy. But I think I was telling you yesterday, my kind of poor strategy. I don't remember if I did or not. Here's some of these lines, go over a little bit. What I try to do, get some of the stuff on the screen. What I normally try to do is go with this momentum line here. Decide if it's buys or sells. So above it's buys, below it's sells. Definitely only try to place orders on the wick that's created. I don't place a trade. I'm going for a long swing. It'll be the last leg of the M or the W. Yeah, scout out the wicks. Sorry, some of the stuff isn't coming out right. I mean, it's fine. To be honest with you, it's on this little part of my screen. And my eyes ain't quite what they used to be, so I might not be reading it right. Then I got another screen down here that's got the writing even smaller. I try to read that. I'm doing a horizontal stream and a vertical. And then I don't know how to get the vertical in the chat properly. I got down here, I'm looking at this little thing. Showing it. There it is. And my vertical stream. Well, I don't know how well you can see it or not. 81,863. Assume that's 21,863. We'll go with that. We definitely have a pending order on buy side. Market pushes. All I need is that one candle. Yeah, break above the daily high. Push up. Guess that's the initial balance high also. Open range, initial balance low. Yeah, so I try to trade long above the momentum line, short below it. And then I also use the RSI down at the bottom. You can see it. If I switch over here, use this drawing tool. So above the momentum line, want to go buys. Below it sells. This didn't hold below. So of course I'm always looking for the pullback. So I'm not trying to, unless we're going in the same direction. Then on the, move this over so we can see it. RSI down at the bottom. This is a smooth RSI. I'm looking above the zero, green for buys, below the zero, red for sales. And a little bit more added in there. Why did you just go away? There it is. So then I also use, here we go. See if I can get on the chart, the window. I also use the volume chart for entries, which is not very good today. There's a lot of chopping sideways. You can see some of the trades I took here. Looking for the pullbacks there. I'm going off the 2-minute chart and the volume chart. Of course, it's a trending strategy, so it works better in trending markets. Like I said, the trade I'm in now is just going off of this bot trade. I'd never use anything like this for a funded account or anything like that. Love the color of the candles. Thank God you don't have any grids in the back. Thank God you don't have any grids in the back. I don't know what that means. Talking about the grid lines on NinjaTrader. You see my chart, even on a choppy, crazy day like this, I don't take a lot of trades. How many trades I've taken today? 1, 2 was a break even, 3 was a stop for 2 points. 4 was 6 points profit. And then a few points lost, so I didn't mark that out. It's basically another break even. So basically a win, break even, 2-point loss, another break even. You add those two together. Really all I've taken today. I did want to take a short, but I'm in a long, which kind of screwed me over. If I get on the right chart. Did want to take a... Put my drawing tool back here again. Did want to take a short here. Push down. I was already in a long, so that kind of screwed that over. Don't want them chasing me down for hedging. Guess I could use different accounts or something. I don't know. It's better off not to do it. I think I'm a few chats behind. You know, you can put a grid in the background, like those squares. Yeah, I think you're talking about Ninja Trader. I hate that shit. Love to see it without it because it really messes things up. Yeah, I got enough lines on the chart. It's crazy. Got to try so hard to keep it a minimal chart, but then everything just adds up so fast. My thing was I had a consolidation at 8 o'clock. Back here. Should have put a pending order to buy or sell the consolidation. And I would have the whole push this morning. Would have got that. So I would assume consolidation here. And maybe there. Break above or below. I don't know, because might have would have got stopped right there. Let's come down there. You always push it out a little bit more. Yeah. I thought we would come back to this gap this morning, but never really did we? Yeah, that wick. Oh yeah, I took a lot of people out. This one here and the one this morning. That took out all the stops. See right there? Break down, take all the stops. Shoot up. They knew what they was doing on that one. Same right here. See, everybody's putting stops there. Come down, take out all the stops, shoot up. That's why the other guy did good, putting a stop down here. I think his entry was there. Stop there. That was a great trade he took there. We never really chose a direction, just kind of, but nobody's getting chopped up in all this. Walk away from that shit. Also, I noticed whatever the trend on the monthly is going, it normally goes that direction for NFP first Friday of the month. On the monthly, talking about the monthly chart. Kind of like that. I like to look at the weekly chart a lot, especially on like QQQ or TQQQ. Yeah. Check this out. If we go to this chart here, it's going to be messy. Nothing I can do about that. You see it? Yeah. So this is the TQQQ chart with the Renko traditional 2.5. Go full. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, can't really make it any better. Look at these trend channels here. Got trend channel up, trend channel down, back up, kind of up sideways, and then kind of going down. I know, it's a messy chart. I keep it that way on purpose. But if you come back here, buy the bullish candles, sell the bearish candles, you can see over time how you win a lot more than you lose. The only problem with this chart is on it only calculates the 2-day chart, so it only calculates every other day. When you have a really volatile day, it kind of messes you up. I was trading it with the swing trading, the TQQQ and the SQQQ, just based on this. You can see here, we're right here, 50%, 36%. And then there's one there, much kind of a break even, a lot of break evens, a lot of 30, 40%. Of course, I got really chopped up right in here, so I quit trading it and missed this move. So that sucks. But it's an interesting chart. Just replaying on, hey, got my target. I guess this bot survives another day. That's crazy, isn't it? It was definitely a long trade. When did I take that trade? 10 o'clock? Been in that trade for an hour? Hour long trade for 9.5 points. Normally I run those bots in the background. It was okay. Just replaying years of trial and error. Yeah, man. Over the years, we learned through some of the dumb things we do and try not to keep repeating them, and it gets a little bit easier. Still difficult though. Look at the middle, man. It's the same. 3 pushes down, 3 pushes up. I think you said that a few minutes ago. I don't know exactly where you're. You talking about the Renko charts? Not sure exactly what you're talking about. Sorry, I missed it for a few minutes. Look at the pattern in the middle, crazy. Not sure if you're talking about the Renko or the, yes, the other one, so the Renko chart. Yeah, like I said, it's got a lot of drawings and stuff on it. but I want to keep it like that because I've been tracking this chart since like way back here. You can see the circles. These circles here are where it kind of fools you. It pushes up, it tries to give you a buy signal, but then fakes out. And if you ever traded Rangos like these, they repaint. So that's what I was saying earlier, you have to wait for that second day. And it gets hard when it's super volatile. But it's definitely an interesting chart. Counter, it's 3 levels down, 3 levels up. An M on the one side, a W on the other. Count it. Right, yeah. I see what you're saying. Let's go to this drawing tool. Sorry. So I'm assuming you're talking here. This would be our M pattern. I see a bunch of M's and W's. They're all over this chart. And then we have a W here. Break, push up. Have an M here. Break, push down. Have an M here. Horrible drawing. Break, push down. Where you at? Middle part of the V, the level's down, then the level up. Yeah. Am I here? Zoom in more. I could always turn the drawings off. It's like this happen. I see the same levels up and down on both sides. It's easier for me to take trades because of repetition of the candles. Trades. I saw, it's funny, I saw it as trades. It's like trains, not trades. Yeah, you can see on this chart, a lot of it, how it's repetitive and predictable. And I said, look at these channels. Like, look at this channel 2017 all the way to 2022. And we got this channel 2022, 2023. We got this one 2023 to 2024. Then it kind of gets ugly through here. And then if we go to the really it's a bi-weekly chart. And you look at the same chart there, just like how are you supposed to, that to me that don't look as good. I like this one. I was also looking at it on the SOXL, the semiconductor. Doesn't have as good of channels. I guess kind of a channel there. Yeah, it's not as good. But you can see a lot of these movements. If you could catch that, you might take some losses. But you catch that right there, that's 150%. Come down here, some smaller ones, so 5%. And of course a loss. 5%, so that'd be a break even. And then 12%. Did I have this right? So even right here, as choppy as it was, you got 17% in a few months. I'm this high, but if I lose one trade, I go over for 8 hours, sometimes 6. Why I got in the trade, what did I see? I get into real deep, and then I make mental notes of what to change and block myself out of the account for a day on one loss. Well, I guess you're taking longer trades, so that makes sense. But for me, I'm taking more of I normally go for about 20 points. So if I can get 2 or 3 20-point trades a day, for me, that's a good trading day. I mean, sometimes 4 or 5. Yeah, one loss is too much. Just my perspective. I get into very short trades in and out where I'll hold a swing for a little bit, but my accounts are different. For one account, I'll do scalping. Yeah, that's the way so one of my risk management things is I do multiple sets of accounts. So I'll manually trade a couple accounts. I'll give a couple accounts to a bot as long as it's working good. Or just different things. Like I don't want to put too much into one trade, but I want the trades to matter. If that makes sense. And then if I'm taking more risky trades, sometimes I'll downsize. Yeah, scalping. Fishing Slot Florida, is great talking to you. Look forward to talking to you more next week. I've really got to run right now. Get in trouble if I go over too late. I gotta feed and water my minions. Appreciate you hanging out, talking. I like going over these strategies with you. I want to get more people on the stream and talk over these different strategies. Before I go, look at this. Let me bring this up. This trading view drawing tool sucks. Here's our M pattern right here. See if it plays out. All right, Fishing Slot Florida. Appreciate you. Probably should hit the down now leg of the M. Think so. Pushing back down. Oh, we did push up. Did you take that trade? I know you was talking about it. Taking the high of the day. I didn't even think about it when I saw it. Yep, awesome. Up 1,300. Dang, I need to be taking your trades. That's awesome, man. Oh, we're tanking now. There's our M pattern, break of the M. I can't draw for shit. See if they can hold below. See if they can hold it down here and go down. All right, I really got to go. Fishing Slot Florida, appreciate you. You're awesome as always. To everyone next week. Yes, I did it. 100,000 account done. That trade evaluation over. That's awesome, man. That's what we want to see. More and more of that. Build more communities and talk over different strats. What we can all do to improve. I gotta run. Appreciate you. Hope you have an awesome weekend. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Get out with the family. Fishing Slot Florida. I know you're in Florida. See a little bit of clouds out there, but probably a great day out there. Appreciate everyone. Have a good weekend. You're green, don't give it back. If you're red, don't go on tilt. Always next week. Appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Definitely gotta go fishing tomorrow. Have fun out there, man.
The trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Ending soon, we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine on your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real.